I've been using the Navy Federal Flagship credit card for a while now, and honestly, it's one of the few travel cards I've had that feels like it gives me more value than it costs. For Shopify store owners or anyone managing multiple online subscriptions and travel needs, having a card that provides consistent rewards without high fees can make a noticeable difference in your budget. For an annual fee of just $49, I get a rewards rate that easily competes with cards that charge 2 or 3 times more. I'm earning 3 points per dollar on travel and 2 points per dollar on everything else. For context, if you spend $2,000 on travel annually and $3,000 on everyday purchases, that's already 9,000 points just from normal spending, worth $90 in travel rewards, without even factoring in bonuses or perks. And the best part is, the way they define travel, it's not just flights and hotels, it also includes ride shares, parking, amusement parks, museums, and even golf courses. So if you're traveling for business trips, attending events, or even taking a weekend getaway, you're maximizing your rewards across a wide variety of expenses. This flexibility makes it easier to earn points on purchases you're already making. The points are worth a solid 1 cent each, and I can redeem them for travel, cash back, gift cards, or merchandise, which keeps things really flexible. This means you can decide whether you want to reinvest your rewards into your next business trip, treat yourself, or even use them for everyday purchases if you prefer a more straightforward cashback approach. When I signed up, I grabbed the 35,000 point bonus after spending $3,500 in the first 90 days, which was a nice $350 value right out of the gate. It basically covered my annual fee for years in advance. For Shopify entrepreneurs, taking advantage of welcome bonuses like this can help offset business expenses early on, such as shipping, software subscriptions, or small marketing campaigns. There's no foreign transaction fee, which came in handy on a recent trip abroad. I love that they reimburse up to $100 for global entry or TSA pre-check every 4 years. That perk alone is worth double the annual fee and can save you both time and money at the airport, which is invaluable for frequent travelers or anyone juggling shipping and travel logistics for an online store. I've also used the secondary collision damage waiver on a rental car, which saved me from paying extra insurance at the counter, and their travel accident coverage gives me a little extra peace of mind when I'm booking trips. For store owners traveling to meet suppliers, attend trade shows, or pick up inventory, these protections can reduce out-of-pocket expenses and risk. The only catch is that you need to be eligible for Navy Federal Credit Union membership, which can be a bit of a barrier if you're not in the military, a veteran, a Department of Defense employee, or related to someone who is. Joining was easy for me, but I know it could be a hurdle for some. If you do qualify, though, it opens the door to a suite of financial products and benefits beyond just this card. The card also doesn't have airline or hotel transfer partners, so you're not going to squeeze out extra value that way. But for me, the flat value and simplicity work better than juggling loyalty programs. For business owners, this simplicity reduces the stress of managing multiple loyalty accounts and ensures you're consistently earning rewards on everyday spending without extra tracking. Overall, the Navy Federal Flagship credit card has been a workhorse for both my everyday spending and my travel plans. It's rare to find a card that offers strong rewards, solid perks, and a generous welcome bonus for such a low annual fee. If you qualify for Navy Federal membership, this is one of the best all-around travel cards I've used, and it's one I plan to keep in my wallet for a long time. For anyone running a Shopify store or managing multiple business and personal expenses, it's a card that consistently delivers value without overcomplicating things.